Let's solve some problems here. Given segment MN shown below with point M -6,1 and point N 3 -5, what is an equation of the line that passes through point P61 and is parallel to segment MN? When two lines are parallel, then that means their slopes are equal. So let's look for or solve for the slope of MN first, so we can write the equation of the second line. We can use the slope formula, which is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we just have to plug in the given points here, points M and N. So that would be -5 minus 1, and then 3 minus -6. So this is -6 over 9. So our slope is just equal to -2/3. So I'm writing this in the slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. This would be y equals -2/3 x plus b. Okay. Now we can write the equation of the other line that is parallel to MN by plugging in the given point here, point P61, because it says that the line passes through this point. Now we can solve for B, which is the y-intercept. So that would be 1 equals -2/3 times 6 plus B. Yeah, 6 is divisible by 3, so this is 2. So this is 1 equals -4 plus B. Then we transpose 4 to the other side. This would be 1 plus 4 equals B. Therefore, B is just equal to 5. That is our y-intercept. And now we can write the equation of the second line. So this would be y equals -2/3 x plus 5. So the answer here is this one, number 1. What is an equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment shown in the diagram below? So perpendicular bisector or a perpendicular line. So when two lines are perpendicular, then that means the slope of the other line is just equal to the negative reciprocal of the slope of the other line. So let's just solve for the slope of this line first. So we can write the equation of the perpendicular bisector. We can use the slope formula. So it'll be y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We can choose 2 points here on the line. It passes through the region 0, 0. So we can choose 0, 0, and another point, let's say this one. Let's say each box is equal to 1 unit. So this point is -1, 2. So that would be 2 minus 0 over -1 minus 0. So the slope is just 2 over -1 and equal to -2. So the equation of that line or segment is just equal to -2, y equals -2x plus b. Then we can plug in 1 point. Let's say 0, 0. So 0 equals -2 times 0 plus b. So our y-intercept is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of this line is just equal to y equals -2x. And now we can solve for the equation of the other line that is perpendicular to this line. So let's say this is the line or segment. So that would be the slope of the first line is just equal to the negative reciprocal of that one. The slope of the second line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the first line. So that would be negative of negative 1/2. Therefore, the slope of the second line is just equal to 1/2. Now we can write the equation of that line. So this is y equals 1/2 x plus b, and it also passes through the region. So that means the y-intercept is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the perpendicular bisector is just y equals 1/2 x. But we don't have here in our choices, so we need to write this one in this form. We can multiply both sides by 2. Okay, that would be y equals 1/2 x times 2. So this is 2y equals x. 2y equals x. And then we transpose x to the left. That would be 2y minus x equals 0. So the answer here is number 4. This one. Which equation represents the line that passes through the point -2, 2 and is parallel to y equals 1/2 x plus 8? Again, when two lines are parallel, then that means their slopes are parallel. We're given here the equation of the first line, and the slope of this is just equal to 1/2. Therefore, the slope of the second line is also equal to 1/2. So it'll be y equals 1/2 x plus b. We're given, it is given here that the line passes through the point -2, 2. So we just have to plug in the values of x and y to this to find, to solve for b, which is the y-intercept. So this would be 2 equals 1/2 -2 plus b. 2 equals, this is -2 divided by 2 is -1 plus b. We transpose 1 and -1 to the other side. So this is 2 plus 1 equals b. Therefore, the y-intercept is just equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, the equation of the other line is just y equals 1/2 x plus 3. So the answer here is number 3. Which equation represents a line parallel to the line whose equation is -2x plus 3y equals -4 and passes through point 1, 3. Okay, we're given here the first line, and we need to write the equation of another line which is parallel to this line. So again, when two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. So we need to find the slope of this line. We can write this in the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So this is -2x plus 3y equals -4. We transpose -2x to the right. This would be 3y equals 2x minus 4. Then we divide both sides by 3. Therefore, the equation of the line would be 2/3 x minus 4/3. For the slope is just equal to 2/3. It says that the other line passes through 0.13, so we can write the equation of the second line in this form, whatever we have here in our choices. So that would be y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So we're given here 0.13. That will be y minus 3 equals, the slope is 2/3 times x minus 1. Therefore, the answer here is number 2.